Say hey, Donnie. Say hey, Donnie. Alright, guys, we are in CVS. They are 30 minutes before they close. They close at 6 now. So I'm in here trying to do my deals. I wanted to do a razor deal this week, but these razors are high. These are $12.99. These $16.99. These aren't tagged. Gillette 3 and 5. They don't say anything about the skin guard. So I'm probably gonna pass on this deal, guys. So let's head over to the makeup. Okay, so the first deal that I'm gonna do is on the Physicians Formula. I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. When you buy 2, you get a $10 extra care book. I've been seeing they've redone my Physicians Formula. They got all these new products because I've been waiting on them to come in. I'm gonna pick up 2 of the eye remover. I have a 3 off of 12 that I'm gonna use into this, and I think these are $14.99. Oh, these are not tagged, but I think these are like $7, so it'll be $14. And I have a 3 off of 12 CRT that I'm gonna use with this. That's gonna be the first thing, and it counts towards beauty. So that's gonna be the first thing I pick up in my transaction. Okay, guys. I have a 4 off of 12 NYX CRT, and this still only runs around a couple of times a year, and it counts towards beauty. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of the lip products, and I'll get take off. So it's gonna be about $12. Take off 4. I pay $8 out of pocket, but I'll get the $10 extra care book back. Whenever this deal rolls around, I always do it. And so that's gonna be, let me find out which, I'm gonna pick up both of these and roll it into my transaction because I do have a 4 off of 14. A 4 off of 15 thing, but I don't know if it's going to come off along with the other products, but we're going to check out and see. I also have $8 in extra care books from last week that I'm going to roll into this transaction. So I don't really know, because I don't know what my CRTs are going to come off on this transaction. I probably pay a little bit out of pocket, but I'll be getting the $20 back in extra care books, and these also count towards beauty. I took some more stuff out.
They asked me for a coupon, babe. I just put $5 in there. I don't know what coupon that was.
Oh, snap. Okay. Y'all, I don't know what happened. I have no idea, but I don't know if it was glitching from last week, y'all. I'm just kind of shocked. Okay, so let's look at my receipt. My total was $30, and the 4 off 15 came off. The 4 off for 12. Okay, so there's $8 there that I rolled, but there's $10 that was showing on my app from, I don't even know how that stuff got on there. And I saw somebody do a video about the glitches that it wasn't working. People were getting extra care books on their cars and stuff like that, and it wasn't working. Well, I'm here to tell you, mine worked today. I had no idea. I didn't even calculate that it was gonna work, y'all. Randomly, $10 in extra care books came off from some deals. I didn't even do a Tresemme deal last week, y'all. So that's that. I paid 96 cents. Y'all, I paid 96 cents. Okay. But I got back $10 for the Physicians Formula and $10 for the NYX. I got back $20 in extra care books. Woo, baby. I'm just kind of blown away because stuff like that never really happens for me. Y'all, excuse my son. So we're gonna let the good times roll, baby. Keep on rolling. Alright, so I'm going to pick up one of the Burt's Bees this week. They are $4.99. There's a $2 digital, making it $2.99, but you get back a $2 extra care book. So I'm going to pick that up in my first transaction. We've got about 20 minutes before the store closes. And then we're going to go over here to this laundry aisle because I need your mouth. So I'm going to pick up Tide Pod. These are buy 3, get a $5 extra care book, okay? I have a $1 manufacturer's coupon for the game. I have a $2 manufacturer's coupon for the Tide Pods. And I believe these are included. I believe these are included. But if not, I would gladly pick up one of these because I need. I think I will. I'm going to pick up one of these. Okay, y'all, I've stood here for about 5 minutes. I left my game coupons at home, so I feel a way about that. But I have a 2 off of 8. The Flings P&G coupons expired yesterday, and I left my Tide coupons at the house, but I have a 2 off of 8, so I'm gonna pick up all 3 of these. There's a $1 digital for the Tide Unstoppable boosters, so I'm gonna pick up all of these. I'm gonna roll. I have to come back later on this week if I find out if I want to do some more deals, but I specifically need Tide because I got to put a bundle together for somebody on tomorrow. So I'm just gonna get this, and I'm gonna roll the $2. I'm gonna roll $10 of extra care books that I got from the first deal. Okay. I'm in a rush because they're closing, y'all. I don't know why they took me so long to get here today, but I definitely might come back and stock up on these Perseals because they only have the pods, but we're gonna go check out, so I should be getting back $7 of extra care books. I'm gonna roll the $10 of extra care books, and we're gonna go check out because they are closing right now.
Baby, stay that baby.
Yeah, it's not that bad. What did you lose?
Alright, so this is my receipt. The transaction turned out to be great. That's everything that I got. I didn't get a lot. And the store's closed, so I don't really have time. But let's look at. Alright, so the Burt's Bees $2 digital came off. The Tide $2 digital came off. The $1 off for the Bounce came off. The 2 off 8 Tide came off. And the $10 extra care book came off. It didn't adjust down, so I paid. My subtotal was $2.96. And I got the $5 extra care book for the P&G products and the $2 for the Burt's Bees toothpaste. So that I still have the $10 in extra care books from the previous deal. I don't remember how far I was from getting beauty. So my subtotal was $30. My subtotal was $30. I think I was like $27 away. So I'll probably be getting another $3 extra care book. And if I do come back to CVS this week, it'll probably be if I do end up getting that $3 beauty book. But if not, there are plenty of other stores that I could crash this week. So I might just call this a great haul. I got everything that I wanted to get. I didn't want to do the shampoo deals or anything like that because, guys, I have so much shampoo at home. I just can't bring any more shampoo in the house. And if I'm trying to stock up for a stockpile sale, I don't think that's going to be one of the items that really sell. So I'm just not bringing any shampoo items in the house. I'm over it. So thank you guys for watching my haul. Stay tuned for some more videos, some Family Dollar videos, some Walgreens videos for the rest of this week. You guys have a good night. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.